Good morning, my name is Tal. I'm the CEO of Golden View Renovation, and today I would like to showcase you our brand new construction built from ground up here in Redwood City, California. Come take a look. Since it's a unique build here in Redwood City, it requires us a certain skill and certain experience of over 25 years here in the Bay Area building new construction house. We had to make sure that we are meeting the city standards, city limitation and requirements. And also we had to make sure that the curb appeal of the house was matching to the rest of the houses here. Now that you know a little bit more about the planning process, I would like to introduce you my team. Barry, who managed the project during the construction phase, and Alexandra, one of our lead designers, who created this vision and turned it to reality.
My name is Alexandra, and I was a lead designer for this project. I usually work with my clients as a collaboration. So for them, they wanted really like light, crispy feeling, transitional style. Wood elements was very important for them to stay connected with the nature. Wood flooring, wooden shelves, the stone fireplace, marble on the countertops. It was really important for them to bring that vibe into the design. So even if we're talking about the full house planning, the heart of the house is always a kitchen. We work with an open concept, and as you can see, storage is really organized smartly. All the tall cabinets and everything that goes to the ceiling, I organize over this wall. So this is a pantry. You see it's almost not visible. I have a full-size fridge on my left side. I have the full-size oven, double oven, and it's still not visible, right? Because it's hidden behind the wall. And when you enter the kitchen, you basically don't see this too much. You pay attention to the open shelves, you pay attention to the beautiful windows, to our pot filler, and obviously our big island. The island is literally the central piece of the whole kitchen. You can see it's extra big size, so we use the full roll slab size for the whole countertop. I accented with the two beautiful pendant lights, and we keep extra space between the main countertop and the island, as obviously the whole family gonna gather here. So we choose to do the induction cooktop, which is very practical, very minimalistic look. And right across, we have beautiful drawers for silverware, plates, cups, bowls, anything you need. Right, like you enter on your left side will be the offices rooms, the guest in suite, the mudroom, and all those spaces are tied up with a beautiful wainscoting we created around all the hallway and entrance. And on my left, you will see the dining room, the family room. All the spaces flows together and create a beautiful lifetime experience.
The project was a lot of fun to be a part of. Starting off in the beginning, of course, we had a really old home over here, which had to go. So for the doors, we went with 8-foot doors, being that we have 9-foot ceilings, but there are a couple of areas where we had to have a lowered ceiling for mechanical plumbing, and we wanted to keep 8-foot doors. Like in this area over here in this powder room, you can see our ceiling is just about 8 foot. So we were able to keep an 8-foot door, and we have literally just about half an inch below. And because we don't have space for trim, we'll go with trimlets on the top, and we have trim on our sides. For the mudroom, I really love how they created this design over here. It was really fun to work with. Instead of keeping it completely open, putting a barn door over here, create some separation, or keep it open and have your flow into your garage. Here's the guest bathroom. It was really important to kind of maximize the opening over here so it's not too narrow, so we want a biggest door as possible. So we put in our gens pretty much up against the wall. We have a trimless detail over here, no space for trim. So we want to tighten the drywall into the jamb. And from the inside of the bathroom, we have the same thing. So as you can see over here, we have a simple closet. And when you come into the closet, you have an additional closet. Hello there. Custom sized door over here to be able to access the space. Crouch down, you can get in. We have storage behind there, storage behind me, so it's a fun little space.
The staircase is a very open layout. As you can see, the railing is a metal and wood combination, very modern look. We added the LED lighting under the stairs, so you can see it more beautifully in the night, and obviously brings some little nice touch.
So coming upstairs, when the clients signed the home, wanted a nice play area for the kids. So right over here, you'll have a little bit of a lounge area.
Small but very important space. We decided to do laundry on the second floor where are all the bedrooms located. As you can see, it's pretty tiny but very functional. Washer and dryer side by side, a little sink next to it for the hand wash, a little drying rack, and some shelf for decoration. Beautiful decorative tiles. We went a little bit more pattern here for a little bit more fun. So when we come to the second floor, what was important for me is that the layout doesn't feel claustrophobic, so hallways are pretty wide. We run the wainscoting across all the open walls, and we have 4 bedrooms here. The primary is more separated from the other bedrooms, and all 3 of them have an ensuite bathroom. Welcome to our primary unit. I got a beautiful bedroom with an accent wall. The color is very timeless and at the same very moody. For primary bathroom, we went with a little bit more modern finishes. A huge shower stall, double-sided niches for his and hers. As you can see, the vanity has a flat panel door with a little table for a makeup. So I wanted to bring here more luxury feeling, obviously, and I think it turned out really nice. So next to the primary bathroom, we have this big walk-in closet. The tricky part about walk-in closets is that they are located internally in the house, so no windows. But I really like to bring the natural light into this space. It feels bigger, it feels nicer to be here and spend time. So I added a skylight, which brings a lot of natural light, and as you can see, the space feels really nice. And here in the front of the house, we have a boys' ensuite, really nice size bedroom with a beautiful niche for the desk, walk-in closet and the bathroom. And for the bathroom, we choose more masculine theme for the finishes. A little bit more concrete look, tiles with a little bit of pattern and texture in the back, and the vanity in a more navy blue color, just to bring a little bit more accent.
Thank you guys for tuning in to hear about this new construction home we just built, the Golden View Renovation team. If you are looking to get a new construction home built, you know who to call. We got you covered.